This week in Tech Tips, we're going to go over how to change your stud spacing. If I dimension from the start of that panel to the first stud, you'll notice that the spacing is 1'4", and from the center of the first stud, continuous spacing of 1'4". So what I want to do is I want to change the spacing to 2 feet. To do that, we'll need to go into the panel's property by selecting the panel label, member, or Revit wall. Go into the Structsoft, hit Properties. Our first stud offset is going to be under the Structural tab. We're going to change that to 2 feet. We're going to go into the Miscellaneous tab. We're going to go into the Stud command. We're going to hit Edit. And by default, our template uses the panel's property spacing. So we're going to change that to 2 feet. We're going to hit Close. OK. So now you can already see that my spacing is larger. But if we do dimension from the start of the panel to the first stud, you'll see it's 2 feet, and the same thing for our center to center continuous spacing. Again, for the first stud offset is always from the start of the panel. If you want it to have a continuous spacing of 2 feet, you will need to add the additional value. So this is for this week's tech tip, how to change your stud spacing.